Who is Albert Einstein? In this video we discuss that who is Albert Einstein. Have you ever wondered who changed the way we understand the universe? A man whose name is now a synonym for genius. Today let us explore the incredible life and mind of Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879 in Ulm, Germany. As a child, he was quite curious and not a typical student. In fact, many thought he was slow to learn, but behind that silence was a brilliant mind. By age 12, he was deeply interested in mathematics and physics, reading advanced books on his own. Einstein studied at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich. After graduating, he struggled to find work as a professor. Instead, he worked as a clerk at a patent office in Bern. But that quiet job gave him time to think, and in 1905 he published four groundbreaking papers that would change science forever. This year is now called Einstein Miracle Year. The most famous of his idea is E is equal to mc square energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. This small formula opened the door to nuclear energy. He also introduced the special theory of relativity and later the general theory of relativity in 1915, explaining gravity not as a force but as a curve in space and time caused by mass. He even helped prove the existence of atoms through his work on Brownian motion. In 1921, he won the Nobel Prize not for relativity but for explaining the photoelectric effect, which helped develop modern quantum theory. Einstein was not just a scientist, he was a thinker, a philosopher, and peace advocate. He spoke out against war, racism, and nuclear weapons. He believed in curiosity, imagination, and asking questions. One of his most famous quotes is, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." Despite his fame, he lived simply, often wearing old clothes and disliking attention. In 1933, Einstein fled Nazi Germany and moved to the US, working at a Princeton University. He never returned to Germany. He spent his final year working on a unified theory that would connect all physical processes, a goal that remained unsolved. He died in 1955, but his work lives on in GPS technology, quantum mechanics, and even the way we see time and space. Albert Einstein did not just reshape science, he reshaped how we think. His legacy reminds us that one mind full of wonder and curiosity can change the world. Stay curious, stay inspired, and maybe, just maybe, you will discover your own theory of greatness. Have you ever wondered who changed the way we understand the universe? A man whose name was now a genius man, and Einstein was born in the most important animation of his this A is equal to mc square. Discover the inspiring life of Albert Einstein from his childhood struggle to revolution science with E is equal to mc square and the theory of relativity. As well as Einstein is very famous for this E is equal to mc square because he explained that the most important quotes, imagination is more important than knowledge. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be a failure. Weak people revenge, strong people forgive, intelligent people ignore. The only source of knowledge is experience. Education is not the learning of facts, but the learning of the mind to think. Once you stop learning, you start dying. Start away from negative people, and they have a problem for every solution. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge but imagination. I have no special talent, I am only fashion curious. Small is the number of people who see with their eye and think with their minds.